Alright, I'm going to go ahead and walk through the current chat app functionality that I have. When you first open it, this is what you get, the landing page with sign in and sign up. You can go back, and then you can also switch like that. I've already made the accounts, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in as those. That verifying account info briefly stays on the screen while it sends your information to the server and verifies that your login and password are correct. You initially start with these two channels, random and general, and when you send a message on them, anyone else on those channels also receives the message. So when I say something like, hey, as you can see, this recent category popped up, and I can see the message under there. Just like that. Now, if I want to switch over a message on a different channel, obviously there aren't any messages there because I haven't sent any yet. So I can see that I've received both messages. If I want to send a message to someone in particular, though, I can just go under online, click them here, and say something like that. As you can see, only root received the message. Recent didn't get it, which is pretty important. Once you've already sent a message, it'll appear under recent, and then you can just use that instead of switching between these. The only reason you have to come back down here is if you remove it. So if I said something like this and then decide I didn't want this under my recent anymore, I just click that. It goes back to no channel selected, but the messages are still saved. So you can still see that here. If I want to remove myself from a channel, for example, like if I go to general like this, and I message back, okay, so on general now, I can remove it from recent, but I still have access to the channel. I'll still receive messages if anyone else sends anything in general. But if I remove it from channels, it'll actually disconnect the socket from that room, and then I won't receive messages at all from this channel. So if I go like this, I have no channel selected. It's not here at all, and then if I say, like that, as you can see, I don't receive anything here because you're no longer on that channel. I still have to add your ability to search channels that have already been created and create new channels. So I'm going to work on that later today. The last thing I'll show is you can also change the theme. So if you click here and go to this is what they look like. So if you click this one, it switches back. That's it.